Welcome back. Did you have a cup of tea or something, or have you gone and been at work and then you come back and you see my smiling face again? A lot of people listen to these videos in the car. So that's something to keep in mind is that you could be listening to me through your speakers on your way to work or through your earbuds on the train or whatever you do. So you don't actually have to physically sit here and look at me whilst I'm doing all of this for you, although I do enjoy your company. Anyhow, personal goals. So we have this page on personal goals, and then we have the next one, which is on your property goals. I'm just going to cover personal goals in this video, and then we'll do the property goals in the next video. The reason I created these questions for my clients as a buyer's agent is because I found that, as I said in a previous video, a lot of people don't know what they want. They think they know what they want, but they don't know what they want. And it's because we've been influenced by other people and we haven't actually got a clear intention in our own mind. And so the purpose of this module is to help you to realize that. So, personal goals. Understanding your personal goals will help you to clarify your upcoming needs for this home. So when we're looking at a home to buy as buyer's agents, we know that there are wants and that there are needs. The most important thing is the needs. Like I said in previous video, when I was stupid and young, I bought a 2-bedroom home and I needed a 3-bedroom home. This is all about making sure that you understand exactly what you want and need so you can go and find that. Don't be going finding something else. Why are you buying this home? For example, is it from a fear of missing out, or is it because your family's growing up? Why are you buying this home? Why are you looking for this home? It probably is something to do with the fact that you might be a first home buyer and you want to get onto the property ladder. It might be that you are in a home that's too small and you need to expand. It could be that you're moving town and you need to find a home to live in. There are many other reasons, but clarifying this is important. And as always, I recommend that if you are purchasing the home on your own, you need to have a conversation with a friend about these answers and have that as a sounding board so they can help you to make sure that you've looked internally and discovered the actual true answers to these questions. How could your life be different in 5 years? So I'm asking you to fast forward 5 to 10 years. The reason being is that you might be looking for your forever home, but in reality, it's actually a stepping stone home because you have no intention of raising a family in that home. This is just a home to get you on the property ladder, as one example. So consider children, work, pets, marriage, travel, relocation. Consider all of that. What will your life be like in 5 years? Will it be exactly the same as it is now, or will it be different in any one of those ways? In 5 years, will you still be living in this home? So if you purchase this home and you fast forward 5 years, do you anticipate you'll still be living in that home, or will you have traveled or married or any of the other options that I just had a mental blank about? So yes or no, simple answer, yes or no, will you? And that can be confronting for some people because they'll be like, well, I don't know. Absolutely. That's why I'm asking you the question. If yes, in 5 years, you will still be living in the home that you're looking to buy now, will someone else be living with you in the home? Will it be your mother? Will it be children? Will it be your brother? Will it be your parents, your partner, your husband, your friend? Will someone else be living in that home with you in 5 years' time? Do you intend to buy a renovator or a home that is renovated? Homes that need work are cheaper, but if you renovate, they can be a better investment in the long term because you're adding to the equity in the home. So we're talking about the home that you're looking to buy now. If you are going to still be living in it in 5 years' time, will your life be different in any way? And if so, how? These are important questions to ask if you're purchasing this home with a partner. These are important questions for you to discuss now. Some people are sitting here going, what do you mean talk about these? This is common sense. We know the answers to these questions. Other people, I guarantee, will be going, Oh, I never thought of that. So, if you do not see yourself living in this home in 5 years' time, where will you be living? Will someone else live in it? For example, a tenant. Maybe you'll leave and your child will still be living in it and you will move to a retirement home. Maybe any number of reasons. Will you sell this home to buy another home? So is this a stepping stone home? Will you sell the home at all? Will you rent it out? And who will you be living with? If you're not living in this home in 5 years, where will you be living and who with? Will you be moving in with your children because you're older? Will you be moving in with your fiance because you're getting married in a year? These are questions that all need to be explored so that you know the answers. Now, if I was coaching you, you can see down the bottom, share these answers with your buyer's coach. These are kinds of questions that I ask my clients if I'm purchasing a home for them and representing them as their buyer's coach. But if I'm training someone or coaching someone one-on-one, sorry, I meant to say, if I was going to be buying a home for them and representing them as a buyer's agent, I'd still be asking them these questions as I do with anyone who I'm coaching as a buyer's coach or as a student of mine. I'm asking you to ask yourself these questions. And because if I'm not physically coaching you and asking you them myself, I ask for you to please bounce these questions and answers off of a friend or the partner who you're going to be buying the home with. And that is the gist of the rest of this module. So I'm going to say adieu to this personal goals video, and I'll see you again in the next video, which is the property goals. Thank you.